This video will guide you through the process of replacing the ignition coil on your 2007 Honda Odyssey. The ignition coils are located under the engine cover and are typically bolted near the top of the engine. Refer to the displayed cylinder numbers to identify the ignition coil to be replaced. Begin with the removal process. If the engine has been running, let it cool sufficiently before starting work to avoid burns from hot parts. Always wear personal protective equipment, including rubber gloves and safety goggles when working on a vehicle. Be sure the vehicle is on a level surface, with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. Remove the plastic engine cover. Push the tab on the ignition coil connectors to disconnect the connectors. Use a size 6 Allen wrench to remove the bolt at the top of the ignition coil. Pull the ignition coil out from the top of the engine. Finish by installing the ignition coils. Apply a light coat of dielectric grease to the inside of the new ignition coil insulator boot. Carefully insert the new ignition coil into the spark plug well. Seat the ignition coil on the spark plug. Use a torque wrench to tighten the ignition coil bolt to 12 Nm or 8.7 foot-pound. Do not exceed the specified torque value or damage to the ignition coil may occur. Repeat this procedure for the remaining ignition coils. Connect each ignition cable to the corresponding coil port in the correct order. Finally, reinstall the plastic engine cover. This concludes the procedure for replacing an ignition coil on your 2007 Honda Odyssey. Thank you for watching.